Integrating DigitalOcean VPC is a straightforward process that allows you to create a secure and isolated network for your resources. To start, you need to understand what a VPC is and how it works. A VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud, is a virtual network dedicated to your DigitalOcean account. It allows you to create and manage your own private network within DigitalOcean's infrastructure. To integrate DigitalOcean VPC, you first need to create a VPC in your DigitalOcean account. Log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the VPC section. Click on the Create VPC button and enter a name and description for your VPC. You also need to specify the region where you want to create your VPC. Once you have created your VPC, you can start creating resources within it. This can include droplets, which are DigitalOcean's virtual machines, as well as load balancers and databases. To create a droplet in your VPC, navigate to the Droplets section and click on the Create Droplet button. Select the VPC you created earlier and choose the desired configuration for your droplet. When creating resources in your VPC, it is essential to consider security and access controls. You can use DigitalOcean's built-in security features, such as firewall rules and access controls, to restrict access to your resources. You can also use external security tools and services to further secure your VPC. Best practices for integrating DigitalOcean VPC include creating a clear and consistent naming convention for your resources, regularly monitoring and updating your VPC configuration, and using automation tools to streamline your workflow. Additionally, it is crucial to follow security best practices, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, to protect your VPC and its resources. In conclusion, integrating DigitalOcean VPC is a simple and effective way to create a secure and isolated network for your resources. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a VPC, add resources, and configure security and access controls. Remember to follow best practices and regularly monitor and update your VPC configuration to ensure the security and integrity of your resources.